So, January 13. Operation. Monday. 6 months bago ka makatrabaho. Hindi ako makapag-ice road. Part-time. Cancel ang ice road.
Ang aga pa oh. May 1 hour pa ako bago lumabas si Kali.
Traffic kasi dyan eh.
There's co-op there.
Saan?
Arlington.
Nakakagulat yung tawag ng doktor. Kasi tagal na eh. 2 months, 3 months ago, nagpa-x-ray ako sa aking tuhod. Dahil nung time na talagang sumasakit siya, yung talagang tawag niya ngalay. Nangangalay siya every night. So kahapon tumawag. So after 3 months pa niya nabasa yung aking result ng x-ray. Saan co-op ba? Arlington?
Yeah. Arlington Redwood. There's co-op there.
So pupunta kami dito sa medical clinic malapit lang dito sa amin. As in, napakalapit lang sa amin. Uy, may nabasa akong mga comments. Maganda ka na daw mag-vlog. Maganda ka na daw mag-vlog.
Yeah. Gusto na ba yung camera? Ganun po.
Oh, mag-vlog na daw siya. Anong mga content mo?
I don't know.
Raw vlog lang? Like, kung ano lang maisip mo?
No, when I get enough money to travel.
Ah, so travel vlog sa'yo. So wala kang masyadong dahil once a year ka lang magta-travel, so isang vlog lang a year.
That's fine.
Video protected.
Magbablog ka, ipa-follow ka daw nila. Sila yung mga nanonood, no? Mag-vlog ka.
Maybe in 2 years.
Wag na. Wala nang YouTube in 2 years.
No. Ako ang #1 fan ng YouTube.
Well,
I can't eat without watching any videos from YouTube.
dapat pala bibigyan ka ng award.
Yeah. Because I can't eat, I can't sleep.
Can't smile without you.
YouTube helps me sleep.
Meron ako nakitang hack sa TikTok or sa Reels about sa pag-fill up. Ito. I-type mo lang 789 sa number. 789, then 78989, then number sign. Try ko nga ngayon. Yeah, 78989, the number sign. Let's try. Hindi pa kapaghintay ito isa, gusto nang bitawan yung brake niya. Asa bang fuel?
Yeah, sorry.
78989.
This is first time here. It's so ano, sikip.
129 eh.
It's so sikip.
Huh?
So sikip. There's only one car that can pass
Yeah.
through.
So 78989. 78989. Wala. Ah, hindi siya kagaya sa ano. 78989. Wala pala. Dapat may number sign eh. No, car wash. Dapat pala may number sign. Walang number sign dito. Wala. Okay. Wala pala. Yung $50 ay 38 liters. No, thank you. Wala. Wala palang number sign dun. Okay, dito ako sa Atlantic Medical Center para sa aking babasahin daw ng doktor yung result ng aking tuhod before na chinek up niya. 12:44 na, hindi pa tinatawag yung aking pangalan. 12:40 yung aking appointment.
She is on room 3.
Guys, the moment of truth. Dito na ako sa room. Ito yung pina-x-ray before. Itong ngalay kasi ito matagal na itong hindi ginagamit dahil since nag-start akong mag-automatic ng truck, hindi na siya nagagamit. Lagi lang siya nakaganyan. So ito lang yung gumagawa. Lahat brake, accelerator, brake, accelerator. Ito nag-stagnant ng pag-is. Straight po siya, lumalagotok. Meron siyang pop. So ito, paggabi, ngalay siya. Unlike before nung sa Saudi na may manual kami, yung Volvo. Gumagalaw to siya. Yan o, narinig yan. Yan o. Narinig niya. Yan, meron siyang sounds. So ito nangalay ito ng ilang araw na talagang ang gusto mo lang ay mag-pop lagi siya. Ano? Oh. Ito wala. Ano rin din pala? Oh, wala na. Isa lang bisis lang. Ito meron. Oh. Kaya ito yung pina-x-ray. So ngayon, after few months, ngayon lang ulit ako tinawagan para dito sa nakita niya sa x-ray. I don't know kung anong meron. Yan ang ang laki siguro na kinikita ng doktor dito dahil ang daming pasyente. Every pasyente siguro 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Siyempre i-charge nila sa aming Canada health card sa government. So ilang room to, lipat siya doon. Pagkatapos nandun yung pangalan mo, i-charge nila sa government. But kulang ng doktor dito, kulang ng nurse. Tsaka hirap kumuha ng family doctor. Doctor. Yes, I think you have a call from to my wife yesterday.
I'll see what it is.
And I called back here yesterday also. How are you?
Mark Anthony, something, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's 26. Okay, your knee,
Yeah.
although you are young, it says you have osteoarthritis of the knee.
Arthritis on my left knee.
Your left knee.
Yeah, that was my complaint because it's
Osteoarthritis.
oh huh?
Osteoarthritis.
What is that?
Wear and tear.
Where? Oh my god.
Cartilage. So there's no permanent cure for that because it wear off. So you can have a brace if you like. And depending on the pain, how you have pain still?
There's no pain right now.
Okay.
There are few days, few nights that if this one I don't know, sometimes it happens, it's when you sleep it's more pain. But what I did right now, I put some, what do you call that one, to compress it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it helps.
Hmm.
It helps when it compress. Yeah.
So osteoarthritis means the cartilage in between is wear off. So that's why you get sometimes pain because bone touch bone, no cartilage.
That's what I'm, yeah.
So,
Because I heard it's popping.
yeah. So this can happen in any age. You are too younger to happen, but it's happened. But the problem is you can protect it further, but there's no reverse. So how to protect it? If it's too much pain, or if you are lifting, you can have a brace so
Mhm.
that you no tension going there.
Yeah.
And so take some calcium, vitamin D3. To
I think you already gave me that
Yeah.
one.
D3 to strengthen the bone, and don't too much exert your knee, right? So you can. You mean that heavy lifting and all that is not.
And it's because I'm driving a truck for a couple of hours, like hitting US 11 hours, 10 hours. This one sometimes stay like this, and this one is only working. So when you stretch this one,
You can get it, yeah.
then okay. And then after a few minutes,
In your truck, you do some lifting too, some heavy thing?
no, I'm just lift my chain,
That's all right.
just the chain to secure my load because I'm oversized load driver.
Yeah.
So just the chain, but we don't lift like
Anything?
no,
heavy.
no, no.
Mhm. So, yeah, if you want, you can, have a small brace, but the thing is,
You can give me, you can give me
yeah,
some.
Yeah, you don't need heavy braces because you're not lifting things,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So knee brace with non-hinge.
Osteo.
Arthritis, yeah, something like that. Some brace,
Oh, okay, yeah.
you can have it because
That's help.
yeah, those things help. Or either this one type of thing, but not the big one you don't need.
Yeah, I have that one here.
Oh, well, yeah.
No,
This
it's a simple one, not this
simple
one.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Elastic knee support.
No, it should be not elastic, but you don't get elastic one in the prescription. So need this. Ask from this Diamond Athletics fellows, they are there here in this clinic. So maybe covered by Mentor Bahel. The right knee, right?
Left
knee, right?
Left.
Left knee. Osteoarthritis. Non-hinge. Knee brace. I mean, ideally, if you can go to their main branch,
Where is
on the
that?
side of the Pan Am, right?
Pan Am.
Yeah. When you enter the Pan Am, on one side they have the
What's the name of the?
Diamond Athletics.
Diamond?
They have a branch here. So you can ask whether they have it too.
Where is that?
This building.
This building? Okay. Inside here?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Just-
basically there's no, permanent cure, just to protect it further, right?
Yeah. But is there any pain reliever for when it happens again?
Happen, yeah, you can.
Since I start driving a truck without clutch, it's all the truck now are all sub automatic.
Yeah.
This one is not working anymore. So just stay like this. Before it's really working.
Clutch, right?
Huh?
Clutch.
Truck.
No clutch. What
The,
do
the
you
truck now it's same like with the car.
Yes, yeah.
No clutch. But no operation for this one, no? Okay.
You can keep some naproxen with you. You can take one if you get pain. You don't have to continue, but you can take up to two. But only solution is to prevent it to getting worse, but you cannot reverse back.
We cannot reverse back.
Reverse back.
So what is this?
The brace and your pain medication in case if you need it.
500 tablet trainer X. So I can buy this one here.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it's there, so you have 20 tablets, you don't need 20, but
I will take only this one tablet when it.
it's needed, yeah.
Oh yeah, need it. Oral.
Okay, can't help. You have to drive the truck anyway.
All right. That's it. No.
Sorry,
What's your question?
have you ever had a knee brace before?
No.
No? Is this a work injury or a car accident?
No. It's some pain sometimes.
Sorry?
I have no injury.
Okay. That's on.
So tapos na ako dito. Wala akong binayaran sa dalawa. Ito ay worth $100. Pero chinarge siya sa Manitoba health card namin. So si Manitoba na magbabayad doon sa kanila. Then yung isang gamot wala akong binayaran dahil sa insurance din namin sa company, Blue Cross, like that, something like that. Tatawid lang ako, guys, dahil ayoko nang pasundo sa aking anak dahil mahirap tumawid. So yeah, thank you Canada. Meron akong osteoarthritis. I don't know why. I don't know why. Hindi ko magano ako, mag-walking muna ako para ma-practice tong aking paa. Let's go! Ipaprank ko yung aking asawa kaya sabihin ko na operahan yung paa ko kasi madaling magpanic yun pati yung aking anak madaling magpanic. But yeah, $100. Thank you Canada. Biglang naglubat. So malapit lang kasi yung clinic dito sa bahay kaya hindi na ako nagpasundo sa aking anak. So mamaya na lang ipaprank ko yung aking wife. Dating niya, darating na rin yung ngayon mga 4:30. Madaling mag-react yun Kali. Nag-play kayo kanina sa labas? Kali? Inubos mo yung food mo? Why?
I just finished it right now.
Huh?
Kinain niya pag-uwi niya.
Oh. Then how's your school? Good? Good. Hindi ka pasaway doon? Hindi pasaway sa school?
Eh talaga! Papaluin ka talaga pag naging pasaway ka sa school. So pasaway ka sa school kanina.
Pasaway ka sa school? No?
Why were you scared?
Tatanong ako sa teacher mo bukas ha. Should I ask your teacher? Ha? The what?
Pasaway. Kabit.
Ako lang namamalo. Basta mga batang pasaway. You want palo sa puwet? Ha? Pasaway ka sa school? We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Gusto mo tong ganitong baon, Kali?
No!
Hold on.
Oh, buhay pa. Ish, maliit talaga. Kaya yatang takot yung ano, yung malaki. Huwebes bukas, no?
Yeah.
Merong ano, basura?
Yeah, but we usually take it every day. Like,
What?
pag-iakit mo si mama.
Wala siyang takip na malaki. Wala nga. May takip to eh, pero I don't know if this one. Ito nga. What time usually darating si Mama?
5 minutes after.
10 minutes before 5?
After.
I'm not gonna send you to the Philippines, bro. For what? Sending you to the Philippines? Why? I'm not gonna send you there. No.
Yes, you are. I'm telling Mom.
Come here. Ligpit mo yung kalat. Yung mga papel mo na kinalat dyan. Huwag ka mo lang pumasok bukas. Check up muna tayo. Or baka sa sipon lang yan. Naku, ang daming sipon ah. Sa sipon yan? Bad news. January 13. Operation. Monday. Nag-crack na pala siya. Ano yan? Takay eh? Nag-crack na eh. 6 months bago ka makain sa bahay. Iyebe ba ganun? Kaya pala tumawag siya. Ano yan? Hindi ako makapag-ice roll. Last time. January 13. Cancel ang ice roll. Kaya tumawag siya. Sa x-ray. Baka hindi na ako makapagano nito. Hindi na makapagtrabaho nito. Kaya ito nang sakit. Malagot to. It is what it is. Wala. Ay, ay, ay. Ikaw mo nang magano. Ikaw mo nang mabanat. Hindi, mag-poke ka na muna bukas. Mapatigap kita. Ang ice road. Kaya pala na ano eh. Yung naramdaman paglakad mo na ano, na medyo may tunog siya. Health science. January 13. Dito mo dito. may operation. Yeah. Health science. Then what is that? Wala pang ano. Ano pa na ng oras. Pahinga muna ng 6 na buwan. Ata, kailangan mo muna mag full time. Trabaho. Help mama. Hindi sapat yung EI. No? WCB? Ha? 6 months? Oh my God. Ha? Ha? Ba't na? Bumigay ito no ano? Basta na, yung tumama ko ang kanya. Kaya siguro nung ma-x-ray may ano, may... Ha? Kaya namamaga. Kaya siguro. Pag gabi ay nangangalay siya. Ay, bahala na. Buhay. So, patikat ko muna bukas. Ha? Ha? Nagluluto ko kanina. Ako magising? Magising yan. Si ate, kailangan mag full time ka muna. Trabaho.
Oh, ito. Sabi ni Idot na, ibalik ko na kaya ang cellphone.
Yes, tumama po eh. Ano ka dyan? Uwi pa naman ang Pilipinas.
Ano na lang. Hilig mo kasi maniwala.
Meron siyang osteoarthritis.
Parang yung kagulo dun sa kay mama na.
Osteoarthritis. Sabi niya, you're too young para magka-osteoarthritis ka.
So, ikaw pala may relief mo.
Di sabi ko sa kanya, since na nag-drive ako ng... No. Ha? Under ng Manitoba Health. Tumiyak.
Ano ba video mo? Ang dramatic yung pag-
Natulog mo lang luwa niya eh.
Agad.
Sabi ko yun eh. Katrabaho ako naman. Kaya ano lang to. Binigyan ako nito. Sabi ko, pag na-compress ko siya, yung tuhod ko, gamit pang compress ako, nawawala ang sakit. Yung compress na compress siya. Asa na yun? Yan. Sabi niya, nawawala ba? Sabi ko yan, nawawala yung ngalay. Ayun, parang ang tawag doon. Yan. Sabi niya, manipis na. No turning. Hindi na siya pwede backward. Papunta na siya doon.
Papunta na siya sa osteoarthritis.
Kaya papunta na siya doon. No backward na.
Hindi naman na mag-backward sa mga joint pain.
Kaya wala na. Pero
Kay
wala.
mama, hindi na nga gagaling yung kay mama. Ano lang, stop na yung progress.
Yeah. Hindi na siya pwedeng dalawin, operahan o what. Dahil gano'n na siya.
Pag joint, hindi doon ang mga attorney. Mga ganyan-ganyan.
Sabi ko, nagkaroon lang to nito nung humingi ako ng gamot pag nag-pain siya. Meron siyang gamot na ilalagay.
Ano pa dito pupunta nila? Tapos takamad din ka din naman naglagay ko.
Hindi, naglalagay ako.
Parang acid ka doon.
Ano?
Acid.
Meron pala yan doon lang sa gilid nila. Diamond. Sabi niya, gusto mo doon sa may Pan-Am.
Ay, not.
Pero sabi niya, meron dyan, tingnan mo muna. So wala akong binayaran dyan. Under ng Manitoba Health Card.
Mama, pinali kay mama.
Binayaran mo?
Hindi, free. Yung dalawa yung ganito na.
Saan ang bigay ng Manitoba? Doon sa taas? I mean, doon sa building?
Free. Dapat kasi pumunta pa kami pan. May di ba may bayad na doon?
$10 lang bayad.
Sa pan, may 5,000.
So ito siya, lalagay ko dito. Kaya pala siya, pag every time na mag-ano ka, ganyan, tumutunog. Wala na siya eh, manipis na eh.
I think, weight.
Then, wait? May weight?
Oo. Weight, like sa part mga joint.
I'm only 79. Yung gamot, nasan yung gamot ng screen?
Meron na ako din kasi yung pa ni mama here.
Yung di ba may binigay siyang gamot?
Okay.
Binigay sa akin. Yung, ano rin dinala ko yun, ano? Paano ng buto? Di ba meron din si ate nun? Kung kumuha tayo ng green, bumili ako.
Wala.
Na parang calcium, ano ba yun?
Ayan. Yan. Paano bibili naman ito?
Ayun nga. Ha?
Vitamin, diba?
Oh, yeah.
Marunong na sa mag-lettering. I.
Diba?
R.
Ay, ito oh. Iron.
Nasa iyo sa track ang video, pero pareho na kayo.
Alam mo ko,
Guys, umiyak na yung asawa.
alam ko ako mo.
Sorry.
Ata mo. Ata.
Ang dramatic na pagkayak na ganito.
Ata. Ata mo.
De, off ka muna bukas, pa-check up tayo. Or kailangan mo na ano, kailangan mo lang ng Tylenol. Yeah, check up ka muna bukas. Mag-update ka lang.
Yes.
Ha? Update ka lang. Then susunduin kita. Yeah. So guys, paano? Ito, paluto ng aking niluto. Then maghahapon na kami. And then that's call for the night.